Are you looking for financial independence or an online job or, a remote job? Then you're in the right place. Welcome to my channel. My name is Lena, and today I'll be taking you through 4 data entry websites whereby you can go in and apply for jobs. Most of these jobs you don't need like a college diploma, and most of them you might be needing a high school diploma and add some type of typing speed. So let's look at the 4 websites that I'm gonna be showing you today. Let's get started, guys. So my first website that I'll be going through today is called House Doctors. So that's the first website. So let's click on it. Then when you on the search results, sorry, let me go back. On the search results, you will click on jobs. Go to jobs, and then so my internet is a little bit laggy, but I hope. Then you're gonna type for your keyword here, data entry, especially those, just data entry and then search. And then you're gonna find, like, I just found 2. There's data entry operator and there's a professional data entry clerk. So I'm gonna click on that. And then you can see this position can be done entirely remote as long as the team member has access to a fast, reliable internet connection and a dependable cell phone connection. So let's look at them. Like I told you guys, let's look at the requirements, the professional data entry clerk requirements. You need a high school diploma, 1+ years experience in a relevant world, good command in English, good command of English, excellent knowledge of MS Office and, Word, Excel. And then you need proficient typing skills. So this is a great opportunity, guys. Can you see how much you'll be making? You'll be making from $18 to the $23 per hour. So this is a great opportunity, guys. Just go to housedoctors.com, click on jobs, and then type in professional data entry clerk, and then you can come here and click here and apply online. So come down here and just apply for the position online. So the second website that I'm gonna be showing you is called I'm gonna be talking about is called Simply Insured. So you're gonna go to your search bar and type Simply Insured, and then you're gonna go to, let me just go back there so you can see. So you're gonna go type Simply Insured, and then you're gonna see like this, the first one is an ad, and then you come down here to the website, and then just click on careers, and then, so my internet is a bit laggy, but, and then you come down here to explore opportunities, and then you're gonna come down here and look for a data entry associate, which shows that it is US and it's remote. So you're gonna click on this, and then let's look at the requirements. So it's a compensation of $15 an hour and a $2,000 annual bonus. And then you're gonna be working from home. It's fully remote. So moms out there, it is a great opportunity for you because it's actually a non-phone job. It's a data entry job. So this is really good. what we are all about. It's a mission to eliminate the fear from purchasing and navigating health insurance in the United States. So let's look at the requirements. So for you to be a good fit, you need 1 to 2 years of experience in customer service or sales role, highly productive with good multitasking skills, passion for helping people, able to work in a high volume contact center environment, familiarity working with support ticketing, fantastic oral and written communication skills, strong desire to help businesses maximize their healthcare. So sometimes the experience, they might write like a 1 year experience, 2 years experience, but this is like, it is mostly it's kind of an entry level position. So just even if you don't have the 1 year experience they're looking for, then you guys can go ahead and apply, because sometimes sometimes it's just the requirements they give down here sometimes are just a wish list. So just go ahead, guys, and apply. So click here and go ahead and apply. So the third website I'll be talking about today is Robert Half. So go ahead to your search bar and search for Robert Half Talent Solutions, and go ahead and type data entry, and then you're gonna find all these guys. You can find data. So data entry, like the first two, they're just simple data entry jobs. So just click on it and check out the ones that you're a good fit for. So let's check it out. Usually require at least 2 or more years of relevant experience. And guys, if you data entry jobs, mostly they need a high level of accuracy, and you must be keen to details. You have a great attention for detail, as well as proficiency with Microsoft Office applications. So if you're really good, if you feel that you're good with Microsoft Word or Excel, then you are a very good fit for this, and mostly a high school diploma or equivalent is required. So go ahead, guys, and apply for that. So as you can see here, most of these jobs, they are like $16 to $18 an hour, $18 to $20 an hour, $19 to $22 an hour. So guys, you can just go ahead and fill out this form and apply. If you're liking my video, kindly subscribe below, like, comment, and share with others. And keep checking out for the next video, because I'm gonna be doing a lot of research for you guys and bringing you the best of the best jobs, because some of these the jobs that I do every day. So the last website guys I'm gonna be telling you about is Upwork. So Upwork, like I said last time, it's a marketplace whereby you just go, you sign in, and then you're gonna be getting you're gonna create a profile as a data entry specialist, whereby your profile will be up there. So mostly when a client likes your profile, you are allowed to put like as much money as you want, so you charge the way you feel like. But if you're starting out, you can just start with like $10 an hour or $15 an hour. That way you're gonna be getting more jobs. So mostly you're gonna be getting like gigs, and sometimes you can end up getting like a full-time job from a client in Upwork. So let's just go in there and sign up and create your profile, and you start working immediately. So you don't have to wait for the client to like invite you to apply to their jobs, but then you can just go in there and look for the jobs that you like and just apply for them. So Upwork is worldwide, guys. So if you are anywhere in this world, you can apply to Upwork. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed my video. I just gave you 4 websites that you can apply and get a remote job. And I hope you get your dream job. I hope you get your independence. Because I like talking to stay-at-home moms because I know it's not easy and you don't want like a phone job. So most of us stay-at-home moms don't want a phone job because you're gonna be on the phone the whole time and the baby's gonna be yelling in the background. So we try not to get phone jobs. So these are the kind of opportunities that I've been researching for, because I know some of you there are looking for such opportunities. So guys, go ahead and apply to the 4 website that I just gave you and let me know if you get a job. Thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video.